Welcome back, students. Today I'll be teaching you some new concepts in Excel. So, we have done this earlier: name, English, computer, Hindi. This assignment is already been done by you to calculate the percent, remarks, grade. So, you have done this earlier. Okay, this was the condition, and you have done this. Now, according to the situation, I want to select the students for my monitors, means the students who have got the maximum marks or the toppers, they should be the IT monitors. For that, what I should do? Okay, although you will say it's very simple, we will see the marks from here 98.0. But if I am having 100 students, then in that case it will be very difficult. And what I should do in that case? So it's very simple. Today I'll be teaching you how to calculate the sorting, how to do the sorting. So how to do that? How to do the sorting? You will first select the data, okay, and then you will go to this data. I hope you can see to it. You have to click on this data, and then from here you will click on sort. Click on sort, and once you click on sort, you are here. This sort dialog box will appear in front of you. I'm again telling from where I had where I have gone, through which this option has come. This is home, insert, page layout, formulas, and data. From data, I have clicked on sort. As a result, sort dialog box comes in front of me. Then what you have to do? You have to click on the sort by option, and here you will find these names which are on the top headings. So I'll click on percentage because that will do the work for me. I'll click on percentage, okay, because I want to do the sorting. Means I want to do the calculations upon this one. I want to find out which student has got the maximum marks. So percentage I have selected. I can select this total also. That will also do the work, but I have selected percentage. Then sort on values. Plenty of options are there, but I'll click on values, largest to smallest. Okay, means I want to find the percentage based upon this H. Sort on values and largest to smallest. My data has headers. These are the headers actually. The list is as the headers. So let it be clicked, and click on OK. Now you will see what is the result. Now roll number 6 means roll number 6 is the topper, 98.0. He is the topper. He is the topper. Okay. Then if you will see the second student, he is the second. Although both are having A plus, 3 students are having A plus grade, but according to the percentage, triple F should be the first monitor and triple A should be the second monitor. Okay, and then triple C should be the third monitor. I hope you have learned how to do the sorting. Now the students, there is one filtering option also. Okay, so what you have to do, this earlier also you have saved this work. You can just open the file, or if you have not saved the file, you can again make a new file and do this sorting option. Now for the students who are having mobiles, maybe this option might not be present. So if it is not present there in WPS, there is one other option also, Excel. In Play Store, try to install Excel software is there. So my dear students, it may be that in WPS these options are not there. Just try to install Excel from Play Store. Excel app is present. Some of the students are using Excel app. Just try to find that options in that app. And still if it is not there, no problem. Okay, so students, I hope this is clear to you how to find the sorting. And due to the sorting, I also used to do this only for making my leaders. Excel does all the work for me. Now, filtering. For filtering, why we need filtering? Firstly, I'll show you. I'll select this data like this. I'll click on filtering from here, filter. Okay, and it is available in data tab only. And the filter, I'll click on filter. You will see this small boxes here pointing downwards. Actually, it is called technically combo boxes. So suppose I want to see the students who are getting A plus. Now here you will speak to me that okay, it's very easy, but if the students are thousands in thousands, and I want to just print the list who are getting A plus, then that case this filtering will help me. How I'll do? I'll click on this grade if I want to click, and from here select all is there. Okay, I'll click on unclick it and click on A plus. Okay, and click on OK. And as a result, you will see rest of the entries are hidden now. It will only show the result of the students who are getting A plus. I hope it is clear. Let's see some other situation. Suppose I want to see the students who are getting F. I'll unclick this, click on F, click on OK. That means I am seeing the students who are failing. So see how easy it is. From here, I can select any condition, and according to that condition it will show me that student. Now just see B grade only one student is getting. I can have multiple also if I want to see B and F both. Click on OK. It is showing me B and F. So I hope students the basic sorting, sort and filtering is been clear to you. Okay, if I'll click clear filter from grade, I cleared it, everything will be back from where I've done. We clear filter from grade. Okay, there is one custom filter also. Custom filter, if I click on text filters, custom filters, this dialog box comes here, but I want to apply this filter here, suppose percentage. Okay, I want to use custom filter. Click on it. Now these are numbers, so here it is number filters. Equals, does not equal, plenty of options are there. I'm using custom filter. I'll click on custom filter, and my percentage, let it be, I'll select there greater than, I'm selecting 90, greater than 90, simple, and then click on OK. So you can see it has been applied, and only the students who are getting more than 90% is being shown, and I have used what? Custom filter. Is it okay for you? Again, if I click on filter, so whatever the boxes were there, it is gone. Again I click on filter, these are back. I'll apply one filter on total. These are the total marks here. I'll click on total. Okay, all the numbers it is showing. So in that case, number filters will be equal. Plenty of options are there, but I prefer to go for custom filter. So I'm using custom filter. I'll check what the number are on total column. It will be applied, and it is equal is written. I use then the students who are getting. I want to see above 300, greater than 300, and if I want to use two conditions, and is less than, I'm using two conditions. So here the maximum marks is 392. So I'll use in between somewhere greater than 300 and less than 390, in between. So that means this number should not be there. Click on OK, and you will see that number is, you can't see that number. So I hope it is clear to you how to use. I clicked on clear. So just try this both conditions, sorting and filtering. I'll off this. You can pause the video and just check yourself. Okay. So my this tutorial is finished at this point. Try to do this. If you have any problem, then discuss that in the group. Then according to your situation and problem, I'll give you the remark. So I'll finish my tutorial here only.